Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you our development, Japanese to English conversion for Mazda Digital Speedometer with the text in the middle. Those are found in some high-spec Japanese imported CX5, CX8 and Atenza. All menus and warning messages in its instrument cluster were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English. When we power up speedometer on the bench, it does not receive signals from the vehicle system and displays various systems failure messages, some of which you can see in this video. There are much more of those, for example, messages related to power loss or key not detected. Vehicle maintenance reminders about oil change, for example, is something you'd better have in English. After conversion, instrument cluster maximum speed scale changes from 180 km per hour to 260 km per hour and displays notifications and various menus in English. We specifically run that cluster at the 100 km per hour cruise control speed to show that speed readings are the same before and after conversion. Apart from normal driving conditions, any notifications and warning messages will now pop up in English. Thank you for watching.